Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Xtravel token. Ticker symbol is XTS. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing. They're being listed on a very big central exchange starting December 2nd. We're going to go over the information on the Xtravel token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is being listed December 2nd, 12 o'clock UTC time on a big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search XTS, and then simply just buy the token. So the full name of the token is X-Travel and then space, and then space. So Xtravel space, and that's what XTS stands for. So if you want to find their webpage, it's available on their Mexc Global announcement, along with their Twitter, their Telegram, their Arbiscan. This is on the Arbitrum blockchain. And on their webpage, they do have a full white paper that'll take you over to xtravelspace.gitbook.io/white paper. That's where you're going to find tons of info on this project here. Matter of fact, on their Twitter right here, if you just go to their Twitter at xtravelspace, you can find a full link tree. You click on the link tree, that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. They have 10,900 Twitter followers, doing very well. Blue verified check mark, 34 posts so far. Yeah, on their link tree, they have a LinkedIn, Telegram, Twitter, website, white paper, Telegram announcement channel, and Medium articles. So tons of info over there. Their Telegram at Xtravelspace official has 8,412 members on it. Doing very well there. And and then they have on their Mexc Global announcement, it says their webpage is x-travel.space/en. You would go to there for English. So Xtravelspace is a Web3 lifestyle platform that uses blockchain and artificial intelligence to let anyone easily share their experiences and passion for traveling while making money. Xtravel was made with the ambition of taking the travel and hospitality sectors to the next level. So, according to their Arbiscan, only 23 holders so far. Looks like this project is just starting out. It doesn't even seem like it's available yet on any decentralized exchanges. It's probably safe to assume that December 2nd is going to be their initial listing date. So 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a total supply of 10 billion XTS tokens. So what is this project all about? Travel, earn, save, and experience more. So they have an overview. They have a market overview. It says the global tourism market is expected to see exponential growth in the coming years. In fact, according to a research and tourism industry market analysis report, the revenue is estimated to reach 12 trillion USD by the year 2025. The travel and hospitality sector generously contribute to global employment And the economy, already a flourishing sector. The application of blockchain in the tourism sector will not only elevate its expansion, but alleviate its expansion and growth, but will also alleviate. It's also simplifying. There's big typos on here. Simplifying a myriad of associated processes. So they have blockchain and travel. Blockchain is emerging as a powerful technology force that promises to change the travel industry's status quo. Using blockchain in the travel industry has many uses. So some of the uses are transparency. Blockchain entries are immutable. Settlement. Blockchain can impact the complex settlement process by automatically executing smart contracts. Loyalty. There's a new way to use loyalty points across vendors. Fraud. So they have a distributed ledger, reducing fraud. Identity. The blockchain platform can be used to store a traveler's identity across transactions. Internet of Things, IoT. Keep track of any asset. For example, luggage, equipment at an airport. Overbooking, so that removes the problem of double bookings in the industry. And policy, corporate travel industry improves the ability to track negotiated fares and rates. So they also have AI and travel, so you can automate processes and services, personalize customer experiences, make staff more efficient, detect fraudulent activities, optimize expenses, create more value. So the Xtravel space here. Xtravel is a Web3 lifestyle platform on blockchain and AI for anybody to easily share their experiences and passion while traveling and making money. With the advantages of blockchain and AI, you can get an Xtravel passport. They have the Xtravel metaverse and Xtravel world. So those are the things that they're working on here. It goes over the whole ecosystem. So the Xtravel world, we integrate cryptocurrency payment portals and Web3 platform. And the metaverse, obviously that's self-explanatory. It's going to be virtual reality and blockchain. Where you can check out like flights, trains, apartments, buses, villas, hotels, etc. They have the Xtravel AI, which is going to have a chat bot. It's going to provide customers with real-time suggestions. And then they have the Xtravel Passport. So that's going to have exclusive merchandise, in-person event access, exclusive collectibles, cryptocurrencies, etc. So you can also earn while using these platforms here. And you can easily get started, it says. They have a whole business model behind it. They have the tokenomics on here. Like I said, it's on the Arbitrum blockchain. This is the utility and governance token, which means it's going to enable you voting rights in the future. Vote on proposals, which direction you think the project should go. How the tokens split up: 5% of the tokens go to private sale, 20% public sale, 30% community rewards, 10% liquidity pool, 15% marketing, 10% team, 10% treasury. They have a roadmap on here as well. So it starts with project development, meeting and cooperating with travel companies, start powerful marketing campaigns, private sale, public sale, listing on exchanges like Mexc Global, Xtravel beta version. Then they update the version, Android and iOS apps, Metaverse AI, Passport, Xtravel World Development, Business Development, other listings, developing products, partnerships with hotels, travel agencies, influencer marketing campaigns, offline marketing, and paid ads on search engines. Check it all out, xtravelspace.gitbook.io/white paper. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global starting December 2nd, 12 o'clock UTC time. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially if you don't have an Mexc Global account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.